Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask, a skincare product that claims to give you the highly sought after glass skin look while you sleep. We used it consistently to see if the results were as dramatic as advertised. The texture is a thick, hydrating gel that forms a sort of wrap on your skin overnight. Pros first. It definitely delivers on hydration. We woke up with plumper, softer, and more refreshed looking skin. It locks in moisture effectively, which is ideal for people with dry or combination skin. We also like that it didn't feel sticky after full absorbing, and it worked well with our existing skincare routine. Now for the cons. This product is not cheap. And while hydration and plumpness were noticeable, we did not experience a dramatic transformation into glass skin. Fine lines didn't magically disappear, and it took consistent use to even notice subtle results. Some people might also find the formula too heavy if they have oily or acne-prone skin. Overall, the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask is a luxurious add-on for those who want overnight hydration, but it's not a miracle worker. If you are looking for a quick fix for flawless skin, you may be disappointed. If you see this as an extra hydration boost rather than a glass skin guarantee, it can definitely be worth trying. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam free.